Flash flooding at this hour. Tonight, more than 50 million Americans under those flood warnings and watches right now. New storms slamming the east. A significant risk, including New York City rainfall.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey. Until 9:15 p.m. At 7:44 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall across the warned area. Between 3 and 4 inches have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 4 to 5 inches are possible across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing and expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impacts: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Bordentown, Florence, Trenton, New Hanover, Wrightstown, McGuire Air Force Base, Fort Dix, Browns Mills, Presidential Lakes Estates, Jackson Township, New Egypt, and Manalapan. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.